Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. All drivers know that dash camera is very important thing in the car. This is a proof of your innocence after an accident on the road. Also, it is a great way to capture interesting moments during the trip. What is important for DVR car dash? First of all, it should have good video recording quality. Also, it is a screen to watch video without needing to get out of the car. And of course, camera must have useful functions, such as motion detection and so on. JUNSUN T518 DVR car dash has all these features. Today I want to talk about this gadget. Regular price of this camera is $50, but right now you can get it for only $15. More details by the link in description. I want to start first review with screen. It has diagonal of 3 inches and resolution of 960 by 240 pixels. On the right side you can find some buttons to control the gadget. At the top there is a speaker to watch footage with sound. Also you can see micro USB port to transfer files from dash camera to computer. JUNSUN T518 is equipped with 12 megapixel sensor with Full HD video resolution at 30 fps and 140 viewing angle. All files are stored on the microSD memory cards up to 32 GB. As for the interesting functions, camera provides motion detection, loop cycle recording, parking monitoring, and G-sensor. The latest function allows you to capture the moment if the car happens some damages. JUNSUN camera has built-in battery with capacity of 180 mAh. However, most often it is powered by car charger. So JUNSUN T518 looks pretty interesting dash camera for your car. It has 12 megapixel sensor with Full HD resolution, big display and all necessary functions. But the most interesting part is its price. As already said, you can get this camera for only $15. More details about this deal in description under this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.